Hey guys, Jeff Escow here of Escow Marketing, and today I'm doing a video testimonial about Videze. This is a product that's coming out within the next couple of days, and if you guys are doing anything with video, you need to check this out. As you can see on my screen, I have Videze opened up for you guys. Now, what Videze does, it makes any kind of videos you want. You can make a logo video, you can make motion text video, you can make live mock-up videos. It's unbelievable. It's really cool. And it's a one-stop shop for your video making, because you can also make whiteboard videos all in one place. You can make explainer videos all in one place. They have it all done for you. Slideshow videos. Okay, now I'm just going to open up one of these really quick so you guys can see it. And what I like about this is it gives you a preview of what the video is going to be. Isn't that awesome? And it tells you it's 88 seconds long. It's a slideshow, and you need 18 scenes. I just love that. And that's with all the videos, no matter which one you pick. They even have promo videos for you guys as well. Okay, and I've been testing this out, and I tested it out a lot last night with the logo videos. And I'm going to tell you something. They've been rendering anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute and a half. The logo videos have been rendering very, very quickly. Okay, the motion title ones also have been rendering anywhere from a minute to 3 minutes. That's pretty quick, guys. I don't believe it. I tested it and tested it and tested it and tested it over and over and over again, and they were rendering anywhere. The longest any rendering took me was 4 minutes and 32 seconds. That's pretty impressive. So I was running around doing other things while that was rendering. I was doing some other work on my computer while that was rendering. If you are in the video game, you make videos for local clients, local businesses, anything like that, online businesses, offline businesses, anything like that, Videze is your one-stop shop. Okay? It's your one-stop shop. Go to Videze and purchase today, and I promise you, you won't be sorry. This is Jeff Escow from Escow Marketing. Thank you very much.